So Sleeper Grandpa just got some suspension finally, some function form for a pretty good deal. But I dislike that front lowness. He only has the front on. He doesn't have the rear on yet. And he can't adjust the damn body coilover because he's not strong enough. So we'll take care of that. Yes. Yes. All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a better peace of mind, as well as my mind, that the frame has been repaired and plated. We are going to be painting today, and that's my goal. I'm pretty much just going to go through it real quick. I'm not really going to explain, you know, the preparation part of it. Tape, mask everything you don't want to be painted. Mix your paint up. Milky substance. I do anywhere between 60-40, 70-30, 80-20, pure 100, depending on humidity, your weather. All of that has a huge play in your mixing ratio. So I guess he don't want to hang out with me today, so he's just gonna take off. But I'm used to working by myself anyway, so whatever. Cool guy. So I was just playing, guys. Carrie had to take off because his cousin's car ran out of battery, so he's got to go and jump it for her. We'll work on his car another day when he gets like all the other bushings and stuff. He's going to be headed out of state for his job, so we got plenty of time from now until March track to button his car up 100%. So I did a quick wipe down. Everything is masked off. Everything that don't want painted mask off. And I'm just going to use a cardboard for like underneath there, so I don't paint my suspension the same color, you know, because I'm not trying to tuck my suspension either. But I just had the compressor charge, so I'm pretty much ready to go. Just got to mix my paint and shoot. Just moved my mom's van, but check out the door installation, bro. Oh, this shit's looking solid, dude. Yeah, buddy. Man, that made a world of a difference. I'm just playing, guys. My CRV's right there. This is my cousin's car. If you guys remember a few videos back, we went to go pick this one up. Mint condition, one owner. But my headlight is clowning on that one. All right, guys, let's mix up some paint and start shooting. Got the propane heater on high and the fan behind it to distribute. It's fairly hot. I can feel it all the way right here. I'm gonna let this paint get tacky, and then I'm gonna hit it with a second heavy. I'm not worried about runs. I can always sand and polish that out. So probably give it about 15-20 minutes. My elbow turned the pressure up right there, so now it looks hammered. I got a run right there, but like I said, not a big deal. If it's shiny, I'm happy. All right guys, so the engine bay has 3 coats, and I just bombed the shit out of it, honestly. You can see small little runs right there on both sides of the tower. A little bit right there. The one right there is kind of like solidified. Heater, fan, and you can see some of the areas. It's settled up really nicely. I don't know if you can, right there. Hold on a second. You can see that. A lot of the areas settled really nicely other than the runs and stuff, but I'm overall pretty happy. Like I said, I didn't really clean it too much. You can see a little bit of the fisheye. Right there is completely dried because I guess I didn't hit it right there. But I super forgot the T-bar. So right now T-bar has 2 coats. I'm gonna let that get tacky. I still got some paint in the gun, and I'm gonna lay one more coat on that to fully cover it. But budget built race car. So as I was looking around, I was trying to find something else to do. Super Bowl game is about to be over. It is getting dark. It's getting kind of cold. Probably going to put one more layer on the T-bar, let it dry right here. I'm probably going to throw the hood on top of it, but prop it open so it doesn't touch the paint. And with the hood on top of it, hopefully it'll prevent condensation building up on top of the paint and causing the paint to fade out. So I'm gonna cut the night here, and before I do, I got a proposition for you guys. If you guys watch Zosh's video, if you guys follow Zosh, a few months ago, before he was turboed, he had set a goal to hit 100,000 subscribers. And if he was to hit 100,000 subscribers, he was going to turbo his car. Now, mind you, Zosh is at about 120-something plus thousand subscribers as of right now, and he is turboed now for the last few months. So my proposition is, if you guys can help me hit 20K subscribers, you know, from however long of a span it needs for you guys to help me achieve 20K, I'll turbo the H22. I know in the earlier clips you guys probably saw the intercooler that was on it. The intercooler is a spare intercooler that I have sitting around, along with all the other ones sitting on top of the shelf over there. I just mocked it up and cut the frame out like I do on all of my EFs, because I run backdoor intercooler. So I cut the frame out to make sure it fitted, and I used that one to test fit. But that's not officially for the car. That's for my CRX. I don't have parts for, you know, boosting the H22 now, so I'm not like bullshitting you guys and, you know, I already got turbo in the plans for this car or whatever the case is. All I have is a spare intercooler, pipings and stuff, because I do charge pipe work on the side. But if you guys can help me get 20K subscribers, I'll start piecing a turbo kit for this car and make the Turbo H22 project happen. If you guys are willing to donate to the cause, shoot me a message, DM, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I'll throw my email in the description below for you guys to contact me that way, in case you guys don't have social media. I figured to give it a shot. I've always been a turbo guy. For those who keep telling me H2B, transmission mounts and all of that costs money. Plus, that motor mount has already been welded in place, so H2B requires the stock EF motor mount, so there's no turning back there. A lot of people say nitrous. Yes, H love nitrous. I got a lot of friends with H that are nitrous. I've been a turbo guy, but even then nitrous cost me money, as well as not many stations out here, not many people, not many stores and shops out here refill nitrous bottles, so that's out of the question. But I'm gonna let you guys sleep on that. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about my proposition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super excited on how the engine bay is gonna turn out tomorrow morning. I'm super excited to get the motor prepped up to put into the car, and I'm already picturing it. I'm gonna turn the car around, pop both my hood on the wagon and the CRX, and show you guys the twin setup I'm wanting to achieve with the CRX. So let's make this happen, guys. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, tell your grandma. Thank you guys for watching, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.